Could machines predict our future better than we can? That's a question that has grown less hypothetical and more practical with each passing year. As we stand on the threshold of a new era, we find ourselves in the midst of a technological revolution that's transforming our world in ways we could scarcely have imagined just a few decades ago. One of the key drivers of this change is artificial intelligence, or AI, a technology that's rapidly evolving and redefining the limits of what machines can accomplish. One of the most exciting developments in this field is the advent of AI forecasting, particularly the new forecaster based on the GPT-4 model. This advanced AI model is capable of predicting future events with a level of accuracy that, in some instances, surpasses human predictions. AI's predictive capabilities are evolving rapidly, but what does this mean for our future? Let's delve into this fascinating topic. Imagine a future where machines can predict events before they happen. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But believe it or not, we're already stepping into that reality. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been developing at such a rapid pace it's now capable of making predictions that were once solely the realm of human intuition. Take, for instance, the new AI forecaster based on the GPT-4 model. This advanced AI system has demonstrated an uncanny ability to predict future events with a degree of accuracy that surpasses human predictions in some instances. It's as if we've created a digital crystal ball, capable of glimpsing into the future. But how does it do this? Large language models, or LLMs, play a significant role. These models are trained on vast amounts of data, learning patterns and trends which they then use to make educated guesses about the future. It's like having a super intelligent analyst who never sleeps, constantly sifting through data to find the signals amidst the noise. Impressive, right? But it's not just about making cool predictions. This ability has real-world applications that can transform our society. For example, AI can predict stock market trends, helping investors make informed decisions. It can forecast weather changes with increased precision, aiding in disaster management. Even in healthcare, AI is making waves by predicting disease outbreaks, potentially saving countless lives. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. As AI continues to evolve, its predictive capabilities are expected to become even more sophisticated, offering insights into areas we can't even fathom right now. However, it's important to remember that AI doesn't possess a mystical psychic power. It's simply a tool, albeit an incredibly advanced one, that uses data to make educated predictions. It's not infallible, and it's only as good as the data it's been trained on. With such an ability, AI is transforming our approach to the future. It's opening doors to possibilities we've only dreamed of. And as we continue to develop and refine these technologies, who knows what the future holds? The year is 2030, and AI has permeated every aspect of our lives. Imagine a world where AI is an everyday tool, just like your smartphone or your coffee maker. The future isn't as far off as you might think. In fact, Forbes' 5 AI predictions for 2030 paint an intriguing picture of the potential developments and their implications on society. First, AI could potentially outperform humans in most economically valuable work. That's right. The work that you're doing right now might be done more efficiently by an AI. This could lead to unprecedented productivity, but also raises questions about job displacement and income inequality. Second, there's the prospect of AI becoming the best doctor in the world. By analyzing vast amounts of medical data, AI could diagnose diseases and recommend treatments with unparalleled accuracy. Imagine a world where illnesses are caught and treated earlier than ever before. Third, AI could revolutionize education by providing personalized learning experiences. Each student could have their own AI tutor, adapting the curriculum to their unique learning style and pace. This could democratize education, providing high-quality learning opportunities to everyone, regardless of their location or socioeconomic status. Fourth, AI might be used to drive cars, fly planes, and even run governments. Autonomous systems could become prevalent, making our lives easier and safer. However, this also brings up concerns about safety, privacy, and the loss of human control. Finally, AI could help us address some of the world's most pressing problems, from climate change to poverty. By analyzing complex systems and predicting outcomes, AI could guide us towards the most effective solutions. As we venture into this future, there's a mix of excitement and uncertainty. The potential benefits are enormous, but so are the challenges. How will we adapt to a world where AI is a major player? How will we ensure that the benefits of AI are distributed fairly? And how will we maintain control over these powerful systems? The future of AI is both exciting and daunting, filled with endless possibilities. Let's continue this journey together, exploring the potential and the pitfalls of this transformative technology. The power of AI is immense, but it's not without its limitations. To truly appreciate the potential of artificial intelligence, we must first understand its current capabilities. Today, AI has permeated nearly every facet of our lives, from our smartphones to our cars, from our banking systems to our healthcare services. Its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and make predictions far surpasses human capabilities. It's like having a superpowered crystal ball that can foresee trends, patterns, and outcomes in ways we never could. But AI is not just about predicting the weather or stock market trends. It's about transforming the way we live, work, and interact. Imagine a world where AI-powered robots perform dangerous tasks, reducing human risk. Or consider a future where AI systems detect diseases before symptoms even appear. The possibilities are as vast as they are exciting. However, like any powerful tool, AI comes with its own set of challenges. One of the main debates surrounding AI is its limitations. For all its computational prowess, AI lacks the human touch. It doesn't understand emotions, culture, or context in the way humans do. It operates on logic and patterns, which can lead to a lack of empathy or understanding in its decisions. Moreover, the ethical considerations of AI's widespread use are a significant concern. Questions about privacy, bias, and accountability are at the forefront of this debate. For instance, who is responsible when an AI makes a mistake? How do we ensure that AI systems are fair and unbiased? And how do we protect our privacy in a world increasingly dominated by data-driven AI? The rapid advancement of AI also raises concerns about job displacement and social inequality. While AI can undoubtedly create new opportunities, it can also render certain jobs obsolete. As we navigate this brave new world, it is crucial to ensure that the benefits of AI are accessible to all, not just a privileged few. While AI holds immense potential, it is important to navigate its use with caution. As we continue to push the boundaries of what AI can do, we must also consider the ethical, social, and human implications of this powerful technology. After all, the future of AI is not just about machines, it's about us. AI is not just about the future, it's reshaping our present. It's already making waves in the realms of business intelligence and healthcare, two sectors that are increasingly relying on predictive AI to make informed decisions and provide better services. Picture this: a business analyst, armed with spreadsheets and statistical models, trying to forecast market trends. It's a painstaking process that can take days, even weeks. But now, predictive AI has stepped into the ring. Using complex algorithms, it can analyze vast amounts of data in a fraction of the time, predicting consumer behavior, market trends, or even potential risks. It's like having a crystal ball that can sift through the noise and deliver actionable insights. But it doesn't stop there. Predictive AI is also revolutionizing healthcare. Let's take kidney failure as an example. Early detection is crucial, but traditional methods can be slow and sometimes miss the early warning signs. Enter predictive AI. With its ability to process and learn from a multitude of patient data, it can predict the likelihood of kidney failure 6 times faster than human analysts. That's a game changer. It means earlier interventions, better patient outcomes, and ultimately, lives saved. Yet these are just the tip of the iceberg. Predictive AI is being used to forecast disease outbreaks, optimize supply chains, and even predict traffic patterns to reduce congestion. It's like a supercharged crystal ball, capable of peering into the future and offering a glimpse of what's to come. But as with any powerful tool, it comes with responsibility. Ensuring the ethical use of AI and protecting privacy are paramount. While predictive AI is a game changer, it's crucial to remember that it's a tool to aid human decision-making, not replace it. The impact of AI is far-reaching, transforming industries and reshaping our everyday lives. As we continue to unlock its potential, one thing is clear: the future of AI is not just about predicting what's to come, but also about creating a better today. What do the visionaries of our time say about the future of AI? Let's delve into the minds of influential futurists. Ray Kurzweil, a renowned futurist, believes that AI will expand human intelligence, not replace it. He envisions a future where the human mind and technology will merge in a phenomenon he refers to as the technological singularity. In this future, our cognitive abilities will be amplified by AI, pushing the boundaries of human intellect and creativity. Now let's shift our gaze to Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA, a leading company in AI technologies. Huang sees an incredible future for AI, one where it's deeply integrated into every aspect of our lives. He believes AI will revolutionize industries, transform society, and propel us into an era of unprecedented growth and advancement. The future of AI, as envisioned by futurists, is a world where the lines between human and machine intelligence blur. AI's predictive capabilities are reshaping our future, but what does this mean for us? The implications are as vast as they are intricate. On one hand, we have the thrilling prospect of AI augmenting human intelligence, revolutionizing business intelligence and healthcare, and even predicting future events with a precision that surpasses our own. But on the other hand, we also face the sobering reality of AI's limitations and the ethical considerations that arise with its widespread use. As we navigate this complex landscape, it becomes increasingly clear that our approach to AI should be one of balanced optimism, tempered with a healthy dose of caution. We've taken a glimpse into a future shaped by AI, a future filled with exciting possibilities and sobering challenges. As we stand at the precipice of this AI revolution, we invite you to share your thoughts on AI's role in shaping our future. Remember to subscribe for more insightful discussions on the future of technology.